You know, I mean, all of so we're able to even win it 2 out of 3. I'm a promise here. Do you know one thing? A do baby no, and now, sa 6 na a warrior 7. All of them were given ministerial appointment.
Okay, what you say sit now?
Oh, make my campaign on inti metromasi.
Okay.
So we are regional minister there. You should be able to maintain your seat.
Yes.
We are deputy minister. You should be able to maintain your seat. Inti sana there. Let me remember my attention and courses na yenge dano.
Okay.
Inti me de concentration in our course. Says na na ma promise. Omo subo modern ji omo de no a. Na eba be ka ho na se be nya be 780 krana na aye record because NPP ahoden wo bunu is no menuaba obi ba no say adwumaden.
Okay,
this region no we NPP ni aye adwumaden say we strategize na who know where you are moving for. That is why as I speak to you right now no man who say NPP the way a police station reorganization e cost no many asopa. Okay. Me about be constituency chairman no you woni pa bi mo a me you move free police station executives no
na danger because
that is say omo sabi omo youthfulness no akọ sabi obi wo kra na odi be 80 years as lo person ye police station executive na sabi kitikiti kura ba police station ha wa hode we nti edu ba bi no na bi no mu ncha se nti na me ye ne say would ye die be to aba no se takunu ye de be ba polling agent a wo mepa utakunu e de ama edu wonim me be ye constituency chairman am ye constituency campaign manager do be me ya dwe mi say polling station executive bi ara se woman ye polling station bi ara no me mani pa free enkranza otuna bani wi a moto na sabi the remotest area ono se hon na ya na ya hotel no
yeah
eti me yesanti ebo be ye otuna ba wi no moto eti oni be baso no na say new faces e wo strong men ya the san e my party ne ya kono e wo sabi nkranza no ma nkranza du ba bi na nkranza na ba ye I say North and South na e ya ho den de ma na ne Nema binumu atutu afunti amasa 2 seats, but I can assure you me about say 2024 that seat now will come back to MPP.
Yeah, 2028.
2028.
Yeah. The chairman office said DNC ya masa seat na wo ye dwumaden eje ye no esanso frame nsa MPP for. Ohwa adwuma ben na wo mo anye ne yie. Yeah, this had the buy.
Na baby a make me I can be beyond say na kabomuni more constituency.
Okay.
Yeah, well constituency be prior to 2020 elections, you know. Now the constituency executives was sharply divided. Out of the 17 constituency executives, now 8 were baby, not 7 were baby. The free meeting cry. We must men kwa ye kai na chesebe anya adwuma ye wo conscience bi ho the MP no o ka bibi on person o see eye to the conscience executive na o conscience so kwate para campaign conscience ekotia e ma wo conscience executive so no o me preach skirt and blouse so o say sana o be ye ya na ye me enhwe Sade mani bi na di sanketenkete bi na di MPP enya no. Nti emu bi sabe o me lose elections party no nyem wonti omo de make the regional reconciliation team no. Regional reconciliation team no. Me ko ba bi na nsen. Omo ana nyana me kan regional reconciliation no etre omo ana eyo mabufu no. Chama itoma. Wasima na wo kan edi adwuma kanye ni so ohun na metel ne mebo ha wo kan nipa no be fi se e bia se bet ono anu
okuna se no drum no krena na wo
krena na nipa so masi eka
that's how but now it's too late now you too late until going forward no ene na say wo hwe ase wo na se wo sore a o na te se sesa no kre
kwan wo fa so petri ya wo hwe ase so wonko ho sa bi
debio
sa adwuma no na me ba be ye no region mu because me kotra akire be 4 years na me hwe ne ekono hu ne me baby ana ne ma bi to say oh we are regional chairman my constituency visitation so in here
okay
me bisa everybody can attest to what I'm saying from Shinyane mental regional executive committee comprises the regional executive and that of the constituency chairman but me as a regional chairman be able to be phone lines will be me regional executive committee including the secretary the women organizer and that of the youth organizer
okay
it is almost base na so okokra no a se kapre bi kura no wanya na se simpo bi kura na wanya o obi ahu se committee no yenya taku but sometimes I will fret chairman nko a ya na party for no mo conscience the chairman koba e de abehye no ho eso bi na hwe hye chairman ho
okay
no man for the ho sami nye ennimu kwa na de to chairman so
okay
na e de ya obi ebem and this me from nyina de a maybe me free constituency for na say na pieces me the 50,000 my piece in na say piece ni so sika mu ana na ni hwe kuma so kwan constituency for no yire no kwaji sika no
o de kwa yi
reje kuma so kwa so e constituency
ni o na o de wa fa no wa dre
ya kwa yi reje so mo de ho de masem
okay okay chairman last 4 years ulusui as chairmanship position no edi na baya ulusui
oh say onum say so yoba be ma ebe wanim say ono ebe ye bibia say bi mu ho ka sam de pa
mo no de
oh you tiasia wikibia no me be fly to UK the next week no banye den pa memo fabric fast or UK no for lunch or Germany no be fasapa e wo Spain so utimbe o de
oh baby kwa bicycle kwa won to be ma
like send yes me sabi o man pay kura pay ni yes so you dey me charge say me give 50,000 a month
sana mo boss bo
me charge back no
okay
you only dey mo ba say 50,000 no on be chama conscience no
maybe o say 50,000 e your waketu ya na say e days
kan we original chama ntua wo ka de me ne ba bia na sa asem no e free ba
okay
so e be ye e so bi to me so de bi say me say there is a yakupon ye hwe no bi mu ye so to abamo ma one constituency one tractor me so sabi me ni iskaton tractor me de me akosre na me be boa party no but I can't promise the constituency me matter tractor no tractor me se fege se ne bo me ni aba
enye easy ne bo dem pa
one constituency so me de bebre eti dan ya e be to bitim sank me be nya chairman na say bosume na 50,000 beto constituency account ma say gidie fabino gidie be ya adwuma
no correct
fabino tata so do say ya haso Bono is we are predominantly farmers and the tata ya adwuma be bia all the constituencies in the Bono is tata ya adwuma tata ya adwuma Kintampo North Kintampo South Krasa North is me say me no kasa kura say kasa me here tata say me could to masasi
oh okay
and I would you know say pana say na say 17 constituencies executive na ya mo tata when I also person do 20 acres a wintimi no
obetumi ado
it is somebody bo ha no na akoye boachi bidi no
okay nti omo de to so say ya mo say scan
no say because constituency bi wo ha
okay
na enyuma a wori nyuma eto kire me
debio
me read that day
sambe wame ofofo ba ye no ade a wo ye ne mani nje wo nkra enti isi ade o tiso mo peso mo cheso de o tiso edo
me ye me campaign
e so fofo ba ye di
me se nyuma efishia me no ye campaign na me di si akanta me say all my followers nso mo hwo mo kasa yi
okay
some be gina some kasa nti
debio
me kama sem mo kasa yi esi kasa du jesidu
yeah
nya wo kan de ba power ndie ya nso ye ba nwene sa kasa na bia kasa no ye nko na ye de yesi ya ba be ye party adwuma
okay
and the lost glory of the MPP ya restore it back
okay
as simple as that
this ya no hun se kabom no still na manyuko n'anim wo hu me fa no bunu is because bunu is ne wo
ma ha ya kwa ho na nka
na just nim kra
ya ka kra no anka obetuma wo to bia na original party no kra mo na ma butu so mo na mo 3 na 2
chichemu no still na ma se meti se almost all marriage of say you know say we team wa come no nyina no o tena se
ewo party bia no ewum
okay
party bia no me nua ba ne mpelo chen say bia be resolve
okay
but one shall resolve in the timi na ntwibin because I know I be
awo but inside ne dey
now to say
as a baller soja no
that is why party ayeye nyina party ayeye nyina no nimidie ka ho
okay
nimidie e ka ho na ye woni pa bia ba bia ye wo etetewo efri no we say na woni menua e ka sa demonstration
me yese me ba so
sa na ma ba so nu ya yise
mebunu a wo mu di atem
me kodwadua pia abusua ni fia me firi me no ya mfa sa anwoyen
okay
enti me co chairman for me co protection bi okro bi na ma frɛ no sa masa ba bia wo fa dia
hotro yeah
so obi ye bi no ano enche se wo so ye bi enne sabi o men ka say ne NDC for bia baba amando omo chero no that's not the best sabi akufado omo tinye drone say chimpanzee
and pampers Bono de kalipasa kraketon
because ye party ono nanado under nanado as attorney general minister of justice ye na repeal the criminal libel law ye na nsi nanka mo ntwam central for the kwade ye pipi ne ba ya ka wo ya apene ya chimo tinanado na repealing it for pencil ye repeal the criminal libel law and a freedom of expression because a kind democracy
yeah kabi mam
but sometimes and also na also wahwe ne se na wudi kan no me de pa ne be makasa tia panyi bi me no oni panyi bi nya adwen a na enye kasatia eto bi na se me hwe mante bi a ya ba na kasa bi a ye kan ya ai mempe mini sei boys omo ye me write ups nyina no ano papa no mo de aposu me
okay
na makam
okay
me kam na eye ya corrections wo man maye nya say ya msidan share it so a share
okay
no write up bi obi ye besinne makache ni paranse mo mfam pia bontenda because em fam kuriye ma party no kasa no what's na mudu
okay
ye kwa he sabi party ye be come nchiri ma ba o ye sha se sabi daro chambeto no party mu betu pitalajeti betu do size ageni Boatin first general secretary of the party even Bono half region lo yo wusu secretary no kojo je da kon say I'm saying kojo ye boafojo was the original chairman of the party actually mbe when e chairman should be the financial secretary because some person me tap on experience so what they make an say bebre e share party as bebre so omko je ko tanka obi chebelamte no say John mu nyina akọ enti party no man fanye to say e ye wo japade and di party no man nya na wo di be ye den wo di be bobra
okay
o yes na umfa party no de be enkosi ba bia ma party no nya kono na wo kwa ya bodi aka say asuma si penso na party no say na tie na obi kwa fro no ka party na asemo na sebe na ore aho na me ni je pa me was pa se mi nua ba ne say omo tia me 2022 no enemu 80% asa be ka me ho omo kuti
okay
kuti am 2022 elections o kentampo no ene
omo ba be ka ho
omo obia de ne support there e support when we are from chairman ni ye obi afa che no we are from chairman ene asa city o studio hai omo constituency election the Bono isi nyina no mo 80% so ba me na so say chairman ye pese your coalition so ye be pa unchira let me say you have my support, you have my blessing. That is how we do politics. Because all my chairman we are the nipa ne be ye adwuma.
No correct. Nti o sha chairman dey no ma hunti a You say almost out true, most support
compare and contrast. Says a brofu me no makaya. And I say me can say a movie is say any maybe more a shiada. So many maybe more a shiada. Seven utumu foul baby. Utum who say will you show banwa na washadi.
Okay.
Sa oba we dear sebi call minchaya and kamabra bokra no nke kona nim. So ultima nti sana abraba ye boni nyina etie. Nti utu yas na wo bobra pa na bobra sebi obi nya wo ho asem enka.
Okay.
Yemfa sebi krono matawo yemfa sebi adwama mo matawo ko election so between us sebi ukofo obi ra obedeti mako election so suma si nkofo ire nko ana ofa odenti integrity enti so person ye politician ya bobra e so nyankopon ani bobra o party fo no ehu se suma si sebi odanso na ye de nanso
Batawdin
ho and the politics no pay jai kra enya kra ala wo na biche enya kra unti say wo pado your politics bo bra no free sebi o me started as a polling station secretary. That was in 1979. Na me polling station secretary e ho na me da so to aba there be Rollins mobile ya 11 years uninterrupted PNDC NDC ombesa so 8 years 19 good years so yeah that so hana campaign kakra so be 1992 buy guso kakra me 1992 say seriously me campaign my two political parties PNC and MPP it will be some madam na PNC who Rollins will be too liman what mama liman sama form political party 1992 no coalition sa and then cool now be here no not justification be any tell me the about Eric Bauer so also what need that so also radio my one start your classic now
the senior journalist you know takasa with video so
far very chief supo the man
no cry
no 1992 could be a friend kwabe you met the team atari nyina mu me call don broadcast
okay
1996 no me deputy organizer of MPP and you guswa no scra sabi uko campaign ko the come na beda o
wow
ko campaign ba wo the come na da it is one more year ko mana say wonyo waduane kakra ba so ye gira musa ko isi ba 2000 and me campaign manager for Nkransa South eya bodise not deficit na when NDC in term was 11,000 because the money by 981 and 2000 and then win it 2004 the sabe win it 2008 and you know Edmano in me to the selection of parliamentary candidates so your regional chairman so morning call
okay chairman member no but yenhwe asama woken ya se wo hyase wa mo wo yira ko makra no a wo ba obeda kom na mini say na mode mo ho hye adwumanum mode mo ho bo afode e ma adwumanum yenhwe ne ya ye wei ye mabunu ya wo mo so mo ye politics you compare more time no any this time one who say
no so let me get no sabi push akra no catch the baby so onko tetaro pushes more kra me nua ba
onko
obeka say so bone
mani bibi kakra
koko mani bibi kakra obeka say mani bibi kakra ye time na ntesa ke say wo party no woni say when it so and selection of executives no crown it may be quite acquire the highest bidder but and also no you the call amayo sema MYA
okay
MYA say what we see oba papa bi a what we see SOMPA FM na we adwuma say be ukasa kan wo fidie so say am monitor
okay me da say
na wo kan ese na wo si kan obi o say ni pa o ti konso enimi onim de say you ye nipa nyina me say you TV bi na me bie na say nipa sumet bi ba so me dum no me twa ko baby obi kasa crowd to say
it's annoying.
It's annoying.